First you have to remove this part from the car. It's easy because you have these clips. You just insert a screwdriver gently at one side here, and then there. They will come off easily. You see these plastic pieces? Just take them, pull them from where you took them originally, and then put them back here. Now when you turn it over, there are supposed to be markers, a point, a small point here, where you should drill. Here, and also here. It's easy to spot. Once you've turned this thing over. The other two are, they don't have markers, but they are easy to identify. I've used a 12mm to drill this. You can use 13 if you want. Now you have to take these. I've already put the washers on. As for these pieces, I won't be needing them, so I'll leave them aside. These, and get ready with your screwdriver and an O4 head, just like this one. Now you have to put back this cover just as you pulled it. It's easy. There we go, all in place. Just give it a little push until you hear the popping sound. As you can see, the cover is in place. I'll just put these. Now you need to put the frame in place, hold it with these screws, and then we'll tighten them. There we go. Make sure the screws are tight. Now we need to install the tray, so we need these screws. Make sure they're placed in that order. Make sure you tighten them well using these tools on both sides. I'll place these down also on both sides. Now it's ready. Now ready to fold it back. Just this here. That's it.